Assalamu alaikum grade 2 and welcome to your social studies class. I am your ma'am Omama. In today's class we will be doing the exercise of the topic that we started in yesterday's class, right? And what was the topic? We discussed what are the basic needs of human body, right? So let's quickly reread the chapters because this will help you doing the exercise, okay? And then we will be doing the exercise. So I'm sharing the picture with you in which we discussed all of the survival or basic needs of human body. So look at this picture as well. All of the needs which are being mentioned in your book are written over there as well, right? So let's start reading. In order to live, we all need food, water, and air. And what I told you in yesterday class that these are three basic needs of human body, right? We cannot live without food. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without air. And from this, I remember that I gave you a home assignment that you were supposed to find out that how many time or what is the average duration in which a human body can live or survive without food. So, how many of you have searched for that? Yes, raise your hands. Excellent. So, can anybody tell me, yes, what was that? What is the average duration in which a human body can survive without food? Yes. Who is going to tell me the answer of this? Okay, yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Okay, and where do you search it? On Google. Okay. All of you agree with Sarah's point? Okay, I read about a research in which the person says that a human body can live without food for 21 days. Is it possible? Do you think this is possible? There are a lot of people in the backward areas of Sindh, right? You must have heard about it, the people who are living in Thar, right? So here people do not have proper food, and the children, have you seen the people or the children who are living there? Their bodies are so weak and they are still surviving. So this is possible that human body can live without food for 21 days according to the research, okay? So let's continue with the topic. We were doing the reading of your book. So now let's move forward, and in the next paragraph it says that we need clothes to protect us from heat and cold. And I told you that heat and the clothes are not the basic need. Why? Because there are a lot of people who are still living without without the clothes, right? So it's not the basic need. And why it's not the basic need? Because as we discussed in yesterday's class as well, I told you that a human basic needs are the needs through without which a human body cannot survive, like water, air, and food. But human bodies can survive without clothes, right? Because we discussed that there are a lot of people who are still living without clothes, right? So it's possible. It's not the basic need. Now look at the other needs of human body. So among others, there is, to live a good life we also need good health. Good health is very very important, in which food also comes. Education, right? Or beside this, a way to earn money. Earning is also a basic need, not a basic but a need of human body, to buy the things we need. And beside this, a home or shelter. We need a comfortable home to live in. And then beside this, when I show you this picture, when we were discussing this, I told you that safety is also a need of human body, right? Beside that, sleep is also the need of human body, because if you do not sleep, your body cannot work in a proper manner. Your body cannot be good at functioning, right? So now open your book, page number 29. We will be doing the exercise on page number 29. The first question says that fill in the blanks. Every human being needs dash to breathe and dash to eat. What do we need to breathe? Air. Excellent. And what do we need to eat? Food. Very well done. We need water for dash, dash, and dash. We need water for drinking, for washing, and we need water for drinking, for washing, and for cleaning. Yes, excellent. To protect our bodies from cold and heat, we need what? Clothes. Very well done. Now look at the next question. It says that match the needs of human beings with the pictures. Some pictures are being drawn, and and on the other side the needs are being mentioned. You are supposed to match the needs with their pictures, right? The first is job. So what is in these pictures? What is the area which look like a job for you? The factories, right? Okay, then health is related to the hospital. Excellent. And then the education is related to the School, very well done. So the basically not the pictures of these words are drawn, but the related things, like health is related to the hospital, education is related to the school, and job is related to the factories, right? So you are supposed to match them in a proper manner. Now you are supposed to answer these questions that I have gave you a home assignment. How long do you think a human can live without air, then without water, and at last without food? You have already searched for food and water, so do write those, but you have not searched for air. So this is your home assignment, that you will be searching for what is the average duration in which a human can survive or live without air, and then you will be writing this answer over there. So we are finally end with this topic. From inshallah tomorrow's class we will be starting with the new topic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.